Experts agree, fine dusts such as welding fumes are hazardous to health. The WHO even classes fine dust as a direct cause of lung cancer. Extracting it as fully as possible is therefore of utmost priority. Kemper extraction arms and extraction hoods are the best way to increase productivity and ensure the protection of the welder by guaranteeing easy and comfortable operation, accurate extraction, and the best possible quality. They are used with both mobile and stationary devices or central extraction plants and are even available in hose or pipe design from 2 meters to 10 meters in length. Thanks to the special concept, the Kemper arms have been designed for the greatest possible flexibility during welding. When used with mobile extraction devices, it can be rotated by 360 degrees and provides the welder with maximum flexibility for use without restriction. The solid, but at the same time very easy to move, extraction arm is self-supporting, but can be adjusted very easily using just one hand. Once adjusted, it can keep its position without requiring extra support. Thanks to its comfortable trackability, it has great user acceptance. The extraction hood is also pivotable by 360 degrees. A flange-shaped cover on the side prevents sucking in false air, also preventing it from reaching the air cone. The hood, therefore, achieves a 40% greater extraction rate than traditional oval hoods. The flange-shaped exhaust hood is aligned 100% along the welding seam. This means less tracking for the welder and therefore more comfort. The hood can also be fitted with LED lights. Better visibility of the workpiece leads to better welding results and supports the user when tracking the arm along the workpiece. A further feature for increased comfort is an additional on-off switch for the filter device directly on the extraction hood. For ideal use and in conjunction with high-performance filter technology by Kemper, always stay within the legal guidelines for air purification and limit values. Increase your productivity by reducing staff illness. Ensure a clean working environment and thus lower costs for cleaning, maintenance, and servicing of machines and plants. Kemper, the right partner for extraction technology and occupational safety.